Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Roku Express 4K setup for streaming. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Unbox your Roku Express 4K and ensure all components are included. Connect the included HDMI cable to the Roku device. Plug the other end of the HDMI cable into an available HDMI port on your TV. Connect the power adapter to your Roku device. Plug the power adapter into a wall outlet. Switch on your TV and select the HDMI input where your Roku is connected. Wait for the Roku logo to appear on your screen. Once the logo appears, select your preferred language from the on-screen options. Connect to your home Wi-Fi network by selecting it from the list provided. Enter your Wi-Fi password using the on-screen keyboard. Once connected, allow the device to update if prompted. After the update is complete, you will be guided to sign in or create a Roku account. If you already have an account, enter your credentials. If you're new, follow the on-screen instructions to create an account. You may be asked to link your Roku account to your device. Visit the provided link on a web browser to complete the linking process. Return to your Roku screen once linked successfully. Customize your channels by selecting options from the Roku Channel Store. Follow on-screen prompts to add any desired streaming services. Once your channels are added, return to the main menu. Explore your newly set up Roku Express 4K device. Enjoy streaming your favorite shows and movies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.